Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and verifying 0 voltage. Make that non-negotiable. Next, locate the coil terminals labeled A1 and A2 and confirm which push button is normally open versus normally closed. Strip and dress the control wires to the correct gauge, then land the stop switch on the coil feed so it is normally closed, and the start switch on the coil input as a momentary normally open. Once done, secure terminal connections tightly and neatly. Now you wire the latching contact. Take an auxiliary contact from the relay or contactor and parallel it to the start push button so the coil stays energized after you release the button. Make sure a control fuse or breaker feeds A1 to protect against shorts. This saves components later. Connect the other side of the coil to the common or neutral and add an indicator lamp in parallel if you want visual feedback. After that, tidy wires and double-check polarity and terminal ID. You are ready to test. Reapply power with proper caution and press start briefly. The coil should energize and the latch contact should hold it after release. Then press stop to break the coil circuit and de-energize the load. Make sure the indicator lamp and any interlocks behave as planned. If something fails, isolate power and inspect fuses first, then check wiring continuity, terminal torque, and that the coil sees the correct control voltage. That single sequence fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.